Nin kasngi ka arpu artelek ujulio ka Tnad Urban Affairs jong sarkar jila kala Pynkup Burom kerpang ya kedar barsnong Pynthorumkhrah golf links. Kumjo yo MLA ke Pynthorumkhrah constituency uba AL hek ki belala ban penyo ya kejaka song dukan ke baskem ya kinong khayi ki basong de hakimadan bat road surok ki badan hakeleng ke golf link. Ya kini ke jing Pynkup Burom la pendap do menteri uba khmi ya kini hikatnan uba Roni V Lingdo uba lalong ru kongsan ha kejingilang ringkat deputy commissioner jong ke East Castles district uba Peter S Dekhar kom sembot kongsan. Kom kada ke jing Pynkup Burom Tnad ke bakmi ye ki kampan raisor kala ai de ki jing a sobha sekino penyat snong bat uba AL hang ban sa kemau ya kini ke jing yo Burom. Ha kini ke singi lai don lang ru ki arngot ki MLA ki balong ru ki parliamentary secretary jong sarkar jela bakan top yu ba Kennedy Kriam bat Dr Celestine Lingdo nang ta ki he pulen bat ki reu pai ba kani kathan kan thai ba chenrang. Hagen ni singi kadar bas nong Pynthorumkhrah la Pynkup Burom kerpang ro ki samla ki bala pass ba ki examine secondary school living certificate bat ka higher secondary school living certificate bat ki artli ki school ki badan hakani ka snong.
A special remarkable occasion that I am here, and then I was told by your dynamic MLA that I think the cost involved more than 3 crores of rupees. I think you will not be in the position of the government to come with such an amount to build something like this. So congratulations to the dynamic MLA, my good friend Bayelek, the Dorvashnong, and everybody involved. I believe this is what can be done if we all come together. So another point is, you see, you have so many people complaining about everything. They come to you with problems. But here you have Dorvashnong and MLA, not part of the problem, but the solution. That is the beauty of this structure. You're not part of the problem, but you're rather you are the solution to the problem. And I think if everybody does that, I think we can make not only Meghalaya, India a better place to live in. So I think we should all strive for that, work together for the common good, for the good of everyone. So I think what Dorvashnong, Pynthorumkhrah golf links has done and what your dynamic MLA has done is this. I think this is an example for everyone. That if we all come together, put our heads together, put all our efforts together, everything can be done. Nothing can stand on the way. We can all achieve whatever we want to do.